Oracle just launched a $1.5 billion AI data platform, marking a major leap toward operational AI in enterprises. Designed to unify enterprise data and power generative AI at scale, this platform is already being called a game changer. Stick with us to see what this means for the global AI landscape. Coming up, Oracle partners with NVIDIA, NATO deploys autonomous AI defense systems, IBM and NVIDIA unveil breakthrough data infrastructure, Fran Tarkenton backs privacy-first AI, and new US legislation addresses AI job impacts. This is everything you need to know about AI right now. If you want daily AI news updates, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss the next big shift in artificial intelligence. Oracle's 1.5B AI data platform is built to securely connect AI models with enterprise data. Integrating NVIDIA's GPU-powered infrastructure, the platform enables real-time analytics, eliminates data duplication, and powers agentic AI for real workflow automation. Next, in other news, NATO has deployed its AI-powered MEROP system to defend against Russian drones over Poland and Romania. MEROPS uses AI to detect, classify, and neutralize aerial threats in real time, marking a milestone in defense technology. Our next story: IBM and NVIDIA have expanded their collaboration with the release of an AI-ready data platform built on NVIDIA's AI data platform reference design. IBM Fusion brings hybrid cloud storage with built-in AI data services, enabling rapid deployment of intelligent models. Let's turn to our next topic. UT Southwestern Medical Center is already using the new IBM NVIDIA system to train large-scale AI models and run semantic queries. A prime example of agentic AI in healthcare, powered by unified AI-driven data architecture. Moving on to our next headline, NFL legend Fran Tarkenton launches a new venture into private AI. He advocates for secure, privacy-first AI solutions that don't compromise data. This speaks to a growing trend toward ethical, compliant AI tools. Here's what's coming up next. US lawmakers introduce a bill requiring federal agencies to report when AI replaces a human job. This aims to bring transparency and accountability into AI's role in public sector transformations. This video is supported by ClassKid, an AI-powered education platform that makes professional tutoring affordable for every child everywhere. ClassKid. Every child is a genius. Support us on Kickstarter and explore the platform. Link in the description below. So what are the big takeaways? Enterprise AI is scaling, AI in defense is operational, public AI platforms are breaking data silos, and private AI is rising. Meanwhile, regulation catches up to automation. The next wave of AI is smarter, safer, and more integrated than ever before. Don't forget to subscribe for daily AI news updates and turn on notifications so you're always informed on the newest breakthroughs in artificial intelligence.